Hey, today's Global Concepts. Welcome you to PixelLab Masterclass tutorial.
Learn how to design this flyer in 30 minutes. So let's start now. Okay, let's start. We are here in PixelLab and we'll pick our right angle triangle, place it, and we'll pick square shape and join it together. Let me change the color so that we can join it very well. See all the angles. I will pick the square again, then I will try to join it at the other end, but before then let me rotate it a little bit. Okay, and then I will increase the size. Let me increase it. Yes, and then place it here. Yes, let me merge. I will merge the three colors or the three shapes together now. I will merge the three shapes. Then I will give it a uniform color. So you can see it. Let me give it a color, a blue color. Nice one. Then I will place it here at the left hand side and I will duplicate it and change the color to red. Let me change it to red. You can see. Then I will send it to back. After changing, I will send it to back. Then I will duplicate it again and change the orientation using crop to crop, and then I will bring the first blue to front so that this one will be in the middle. Or first of all, let me change the color to white so I can distinguish the two. Then I will put the white in between by bringing the blue to front, and then I will increase the size to fill that place. Increase the size. Very nice. Then you can see I will lock everything. I will lock it to prevent unnecessary movement. Then I will go to my gallery and bring this very texture. I like this texture and I want to use it as a background. Extend it to fill the whole place. Then I will send it to back. When I send it to back, I will go back and lock it. Then I can continue with my design by going to my gallery and bring this image of a plumber. Yes, this is a plumber. I will change the direction. Then I think I need to go back again and crop it using cycle. Nice one. So I will place it, reduce the size and place it at that corner. I can now, let me bring this to front and then let me design something simple so I can place the logo there. Okay, first of all, let me put this here, the cycle, and I'll add shadow to it. After then, I'll pick my square and increase the radius. By increasing the radius, I will put it, I will rotate it and place it at that far right hand corner. After then, I will change the color. Let me change it to red. I will copy it again. I will copy it. Yes, place it on top. And I will change the color to blue. Nice one. Then I'll copy it again, and this time I'll change the color to white. Place it on top. Good. So I will go to my layer and then merge the three shapes together to make it one. Merge everything. Then I can go to my gallery and bring, let me lock it. I will go to my gallery and bring this logo. I just downloaded this from Google, and I'll just use it here by cropping out those white background, and then I'll place it on this place that I've just designed. Very nice, very nice, very nice. I'll move ahead and I'll begin to write my text. Do you need a plumber, or do you need a professional plumber? Do you need let me add do you need a plumbing services? Let me increase the size and go to text style and make it bold. Then I can write plumbing services, plumbing services, plumbing services. Good. I'll go to style, I'll place it and go to style and pick this simple style here. Then I will go to my color and change it to that blue color here. Yes, this blue color. Pick this color blue. Then I will change this font style to bold, make it bold, and the font I will use armrest. Then I will go to line space. Let me reduce. Now I have to increase the size a little bit, and then go to line spacing and reduce the space. From then I can move ahead by grabbing my text tools and write 20% off. 20%. There is percent. Yes, 20% off. Make it bold. That is 20%. I'll make it bold. 20%. Then I will lock everything. Very important, will lock. I'll go to text again. I'll write discount. That is 20% first time discount. That is, I will be working for you. I will get 20% discount for the first time. So I will reduce the size so it can fit in very well. May reduce the size and I will go to position and try to use my key to position it well, and I'll go to text style and make it bold, and I will come to style and write chunk 5. That is the font I've used there. And I will change the color. There is color. Yes, change the color to red. Nice one. So after that, I will pick my text again and then call now. Call now. Now we'll place it where it's supposed to be. Let me make it bold. After then, I will change the font style to arm wrestler, and then let me add this. After that, I will reduce the size a little bit. Then I will now pick, let me reduce this, rearrange those shapes and lock this. Okay, you can see we are moving. Let me write my phone number. My phone number is 234-706575-688-6888. I will place it. I will reduce the size. I will reduce the size. Then I will make it bold. Let me change the font style to nice one. We'll move ahead. So I'll write our services. Bring it down. Let me reduce the size. Place it very well. Change the font style. Then I will write the services we offer. Number 1, installations. Installation. I need to add this hash. The installation, we have maintenance, repairs, electrical, electrical, electrical and plumbing. Plumbing. Good. Okay. Place it. Nice. I'll go to bold style. Make it bold, italic, and bold. Pick again and we'll write the other services we offer. Drywall, drywall, tiling, tiling, painting, and much more. And much more. Okay, etc. etc. Okay, I will place it usual. I will reduce the size as usual, trying to align everything perfectly, and I will make it bold and italic as usual. What we offer, why choose us? Because you choose us because we offer a unique services. So why choose us? Place it here. We'll now reduce the size and change the color to blue. Make it bold. Reduce the size again. I think 49 is okay. You change the font to arm wrestler. Then we write a reason you have to choose us. Number one, affordable price. Affordable pricing. Number two reason you need to choose us is that we offer excellent customer service. Our customer service is second to none. Yes, we are moving, safe, working, safe work practices. Yes, then safe work practices and quality workmanship. Quality workmanship. shape. So to reduce the size, may change the color from white to blue. Let me increase the font size or make it bold. Increase the size a little bit. Nice one. I think I have to change the font again to arm wrestler and see we are moving. I hope you are enjoying the tutorial so far. So far so good. We lock almost everything. Let me unlock this so that I can adjust, make a little adjustment. But before then, I will draw this line, this black, this line here. Let me change the color to black. So you can see in the above picture, above flyer, color is black there. Then I will unlock all the writing, all this writing, and then move it upward. You shift this again. Nice one. So let's move on. Go to my gallery and bring my social media icon. Now reduce the size and position it well. I'll bring my Instagram icon again, crop it out, bring in now we'll reduce the size, and then position it accurately. I will write company name, Dumpers, Dumpers, Dumpers. I will go to style and increase or decrease a little bit. Yes, let me make it bold as usual. I'll make it bold. Then I will bring my website icon. Hope you are enjoying this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me reduce the size and then position it well. Okay, try to fix it. Nice one. Then I will grab my text tools. I will write www.bestservices.com. Nice one. I will now reduce the size. Yes. Nice one. Can compare and contrast. See how far we have gone. Okay. Let me hide that one there. You can see what we're able to achieve right now and share. Let me make adjustments here, adding question mark. Good. Okay. Let me write Dumbest services. Dumbest services. Let me to reduce the size of this. Okay. Let me grab my shape again. May try to merge the two shapes together. There is the shape and the text. I'll merge the two together. First of all, bring the text to front. I think I need to change the color of that shape to blue so I can see what I'm doing very well. Yes. Let me increase the size a little bit. Then place it inside. Now we'll lock the two. Okay, where do I place it? No. No, where do I place it now? I think here. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. Very good. You can see what we're able to achieve within these few minutes of your time. And I strongly believe that you enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment and share. Let me save the image. Nice work. At the end of the day, this is what we have as our design after giving it some correction. This is the end.